Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about child safety. If there are children around in your home and who love to play with small toys, then we must know how to baby proof them, and most important, we must be around them all the time when they are playing with such toys in order to avoid any accident. The things that you are going to need for this video is one glue gun, that is from Fadman. If you would like to buy such glue guns, I already have a link attached to it. You will have to pay nothing extra for that. If you follow my link to buy this product, it's a very nice glue gun. I have purchased it recently, and so far it's going good. I'll give you the demo of this glue gun in a little bit. Also, you will need small toys, certain snack that comes around over here. It's called the Soulful Raggy Bites. Such toys come in handy with those kind of cornflakes, kind of crunchies. And if your children are interested in playing with them, they're really creative. You have to do it on your own. You have to build them on your own. And my baby loves building it on her own. And once it's built, she takes it off easily and she tries to chew it in her mouth. So I don't want that to happen next time. And let us begin. Let us baby proof it before I give it her to play. Okay, so you can connect this glue gun to a power source and turn this thing on. You can see a red light lit over here. The next thing that you have got to do is just press this trigger over here. Press a little for a while, and slowly but steadily the glue seems to come out, and you can easily put it across the peripherals of the entire parts of all the product, and just attach all of them together. Okay, let's get going. This is the head, this is the body, this is all the legs, and these are the hands. Yeah, you're hearing my daughter at the back. She's busy playing and screaming. Just be careful, guys. The glue is super hot. You have to be really careful with your hands. Try to use gloves if you can. As much as I'm pressing the trigger over here, the glue doesn't seem to come out, but it's going to take some time, but it shall come out soon. Now you can see the glue is coming out. Just walk towards the peripherals of this entire thing. A little bit goes a long way, guys. A little bit is fine. You can remove the excess later. And be careful with the tip of this glue gun. It's really, really hot, okay? And take the other piece. Just put it across. See how firm that is? You can easily take off the extra bits later. That's not an issue. But make sure that it's firmly pressed and stuck hard so that your children are not able to take it off easily. Okay, there you go. We can easily remove this excess off with a small pin or a pencil. A little bit over here remains, so I'm going to add a little bit of extra glue over here. Just a little bit of sparkle. I've actually used a little bit of red glitter lead, because of which you can see the glitter over here. I'm also trying to baby proof the parts that are not getting stuck together, so that they don't come off easily. Okay, and they look attractive too. The next thing, I'm going to turn the legs into the baby proof ones. Just put in some glue there and get it pierced. Let it go inside. It's a little bit harder, but you will get it done. put it across one edge and try to press it harder.